Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brentwood, or 7 miles northeast of Franklin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Nolensville, Antioch, and Walter Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 72 and 73. Interstate 24 between mile markers 57 and 79. Interstate 840 between mile markers 48 and 65. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heat advisory in